name is Nisha Thakur and I am a maths online tutor. I am the founder of Nisha Tutor. In this video, we are going to do factoring of fifth degree polynomial. And here is today's question: factor completely the polynomial px is equal to this. Here we will use all these whatever we learned, synthetic division method, factor theorem, rational zeros theorem, Descartes rule, the upper and lower bound theorem, everything. Okay. So first we have to find out possible zeros, and we will use rational zeros theorem. So for that, here leading coefficient is 2, and this constant term is 9. So we can factor here 2. So here possibilities are plus minus 1 and plus minus 2. Here factor of 9 plus minus 1 plus minus 3 and plus minus 9. Possibilities are this one divided by this. So plus minus 1 divided by plus minus 2 is plus minus 1 upon 2. Plus minus 1 divided by plus minus 1 is plus minus 1. 3 divided by 2, 3 divided by 1, 9 divided by 2, and 9 divided by 1. I wrote in ascending order. We check the positive candidates first, beginning with the smallest one, and which is 1 upon 2. Here we will use synthetic division method, and we write here coefficients. So this x to the power 5 coefficient is 2, then 5, then minus 8, then minus 14, then 6, and then 9. Okay. Now bring down here 2. 2 times 1 upon 2 is 1. This is 6. 6 times 1 upon 2 is 3. Minus 5. Minus 5 multiply 1 upon 2. Minus 5 upon 2. Minus 14, and minus 5 upon 2 is minus 33 upon 2. Minus 33 upon 2 multiply 1 upon 2 is minus 33 upon 4, and this is minus 9 upon 4. Minus 9 upon 4 times 1 upon 2 minus 9 upon 8. 9 minus 9 upon 8 is 63 upon 8. And this is not a 0. Remainder is not 0. It means 1 upon 2 is not 0 of the given polynomial. Now we can try with 1. Here we can same write 2, 5, minus 8, minus 14, 6 and 9, and now divided by 1. So bring down 2. 2 times 1 is 2. This is 7. 7 times 1 is 7, minus 1. Minus 1 times 1 is minus 1. This is minus 15. Minus 15 times 1 is minus 15. And this is minus 9. Minus 9 times 1 is minus 9. And finally we got 0. Remainder is 0. It means 1 is 0 of the given polynomial. So Px is x minus 1 is the factor of the given polynomial. Okay. And here quotient is this. So start with constant term minus 9. This is x coefficient, then x square coefficient, then x cube coefficient, then x to the power 4 coefficient. Okay. We continue by factoring the quotient. We still have the same list of possible zeros, except 1 upon 2 has been eliminated. Okay. Now we will divide by 1. not 1 upon 2. Okay, so here coefficient 2, 3 power 7, 2 power minus 1, 1 power minus 15, and this is constant with divided by 1. Now 2 bring down here, 2 times 1 2, which is 9, 9 times 1 9, 8, 8 times 1 8, and this is minus 7, minus 7 times 1 is minus 7, and this is minus 16. We can do another one, next one positive, 3 upon 2. We can divide by 3 upon 2. Here we can write 2, 7, minus 1, minus 15, and minus 9. 2 bring down here, 2 times 3 upon 2 is 3. This is 10. 10 times 3 upon 2 is 5. 5 times 3 15. Minus 1 plus 15 is 14. 14 times 3 upon 2 is 2 times 7. 7 times 3 21. So this is positive 6. 6 times 3 upon 2 is 9, and this is 0. So 0 is the remainder. It means 3 upon 2 is the 0 of this part given, means this polynomial. And can you see here all entries are positive, so we can say that 3 upon 2 is both a 0 and an upper bound of the 0 of px. So we do not need to check any further for positive zeros, because all the remaining candidates are greater than 3 upon 2. Okay, now px is, what is our px? This x minus 1 and this. Okay, x minus 1, and now we can do this. We factored this part, and we saw this 3 upon 2 is the 0. It means x minus 3 upon 2 is the factor of the given that part, that quotient part. Okay, now here quotient is this. So 6 is constant. Now 14x, now 10x square, and this is cube, 2x cube. Okay, here all even numbers, so can we take common 2 and multiply here? So we will get x minus 1. Here this, when we multiply 2, so this is 2x, and here multiply by 2, it means 2 to cancel, so just 3. And here this quotient part is this x cube plus 5x square plus 7x plus 3. Okay, because from here we take common 2 and multiply here. Got it? So by Descartes' rule of signs, x cube plus 5x square plus 7x plus 3 has no positive 0. So its only possible zeros are minus 1 and minus 3. Okay. So we can divide this by minus 1. Here coefficients 1, 5, 7, and 3. Now bring down here 1. 1 times minus 1 is minus 1. 5 minus 1 is 4. 4 times minus 1 is minus 4. This is 3. 3 times minus 1 is minus 3, and this is 0. So we can say minus 1 is the 0 of the this part. Okay. So now we can write px equal x minus 1, 2x minus 3, and minus 1 is the 0. It means x minus minus 1, it means x plus 1 is the factor of the given this polynomial. Okay, this one. Now here quotient part, 3 constant, then x coefficient 4x, and then this is x square. And now this is quadratic polynomial, so we can solve very easily. Okay, x minus 1, 2x minus 3, x plus 1. And now we can solve this quadratic trinomial. Okay, so here product is, I'm writing p, product is 3 and sum is 4. So here 1 times 3 and 1 plus 3 is 4. So our choices are plus 1 plus 3. Okay, so we can write this square, yes, x minus 1, 2x minus 3, x plus 1, here 2 times, that's why we can write a square, and x plus 3. So we factored completely, and here zeros are 1, 3 upon 2, minus 1 2 times, and here minus 3. Okay, this is the graph of the given polynomial, and we factorize like this. Um, but if you have any queries, please ask me, and if you like my video, so please like, share, and subscribe my YouTube channel. Have a great day.